my buddy Ryan, he's got this list of ways to be positive. I want to just go through some of my favorite top tips of his. First one is use positive words to describe your life. My life is incredible. My life is an adventure. My life is fun. Replace have in your life with get. You don't have to do chores at home. You get to. You don't have to go to work. You actually get to. Point out problems with solutions in mind. Have a solution if you point out a problem. Yeah, there's plenty of problems in the world, but are you one of the people that can find a solution? This is another good one. Notice the righteous in times of tragedy. For example, last year in 2020, we can all find something to complain about, but what's something that we can brag about? This is my favorite one of all time. Make somebody smile.